Welcome to Epic Adventure Time once again. Today we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to take you along on a ride with us. So one of us, in fact it was Jeremy, held up the camera on the dashboard because that's all we've got. We've got two cell phones, and so he held up the camera and we did a bit of narration as we discovered places along the way. We're on our way from Molos to Delphi, and we went through some absolutely spectacular scenery. It was really wonderful. So grab a cup of tea or at least a cold beer and come along, hop on board and come along on the ride with us. Hope you enjoy it.
So it's a Sunday and we're on our way to Delphi. We have come from over there and we are beautiful Gulf here, and we are heading over the mountain up there to Delphi. Beautiful area around here. Lots of hotels on the coastal road where people come to stay and then hop into the calm waters, calm warm waters of the sea, have a dip in the sea.
Presume I'm going, where am I going, love?
Hold on.
Really weird driving on the right hand side. Keep on getting confused, thinking that I'm on the wrong, and then I see a car coming towards us, but we're on the right side. Right is right.
Right is right.
When we're coming to a toll gate, we've got to make sure that one of us is in the passenger seat, or else you can't actually reach across and pay the toll.
Village almost alpine in character. Watch out. Things that has struck us about Greece is just how mountainous it is. There are mountains everywhere. No straight line routes from one place to another. You've got to go over hills and mountains and
Tunnels.
around gulfs and so on. It's really makes for an interesting country.
Street.
Well, there was a blue arrow saying
There was a blue arrow, yeah.
So for the kitty cat on the road.
say?
Yes. Something beginning with a D. but not Delphi. Go really high. They go further than the tree line. You can see the very distant and higher peaks. The trees run out and there's just bare rock. So I suppose that means they get snow in winter in a big way.
There's the elevation,
But, yeah, I think they're about just short of 2,000 meters. Really stunning little town coming here. Arahova. So there's a ski center Parnassus. So that tells us that the mountain above us is Mount Parnassus, which I have, since my last comment about it, discovered that it is 2,400 and something meters above sea level. So it's higher than I thought. But this is a really pretty town, spectacular even, on the side of the mountain, and obviously very geared towards skiing. Tourist shops and skis for hire, etc. Of rock with a tower on top, which gives this town a certain distinctive character. Yeah, that's some smart people. Mountain Cafe, ski signs. destination. So at least we know we're on the right road. Coming to Delphi now. Here it is, perched on the side of the mountain. Don't know why, for some reason I thought it would be nearer the sea. The sea is a far way down, but visible in the distance. There are quite a few cars around here already. It's 10:30ish. But it doesn't look like it's hectically busy at this point, so we're just doing a little recce, find out where a good place to park is, where to go from having parked the car.
It's a bus stop.
This is a good place to park. There we are. So we parked the car on this mountainside. There's a queue of cars, and presumably that's the entrance over there. And the site is just so spectacular. Thanks for watching, everybody. This video was a bit different in that it was more about the journey than a destination. So please let us know in the comments whether you like that, so that we know whether to do more or not. In any case, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps the algorithm. Bye for now.